This assessment asks us to predict the product of the reaction of one equivalent of HBr with an alkyne. As always, we want to think about not just what this reaction is going to produce, but how. And so we have the nucleophilic pi bond that can grab a proton from HBr. Now, mechanistically, this is a reaction where it's not perfectly clear that the mechanism proceeds this way, but it's a good mechanism that relates this to alkene addition. Well, when we grab that proton, we're going to make a carbocation. Br minus was a byproduct in the reaction. And so Br minus can now attack that carbocation to give us the product containing an alkenyl bromide.